Hey, welcome back. So I hope you were able to think of something to build with a for loop and maybe the remainder that we learned, and if statement and if else and so forth. If you did create something really cool here, just go ahead and show us in the forums. We would love to see it. Okay. All right. So next we are going to proceed and talk about while loop. The while loop allows us to say, while this condition is true, then you run this code until this condition is not true, and then it won't run anymore. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to call this while loop. Get rid of this, fun, main, args, array, and I'm going to pass here array of strings, of course. Okay, it's our main entry point. This is for while loop. Okay, so for while loop to work, we have to have a counter. Otherwise, we get run into a lot of issues. So we're going to say var counter is equal to, give it the moment it's done, say out of while loop. Okay, very cool. Now, if we just remove the equal there, just say it's less than 5, let's see what's going to happen. Let's go ahead and run. And you notice when 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is the 5? Well, the reason why, because we say counter is less than 5. So by the time counter is 5, then it's going to be 5. It's less than 5. That's not true. That's why it just goes and prints this out of while loop. So it stops at 4 because obviously 5 is not less than 5. Okay, so depending on if you want to include the last number, we will put equal like that. If you remove the equal, so less or equal, less than or equal, then we would not have that last number, if that makes any sense. Okay? Very cool. Now you can see there's a lot of things we can do with a while loop, okay? Because you can say, while this is true, we can keep going. So that's the basis of a while loop. Okay? Now make sure you have this counter plus plus, otherwise this while loop will never stop and you may crash your computer, okay? So it's important to have this counter plus plus so to iterate through so that we don't run into memory issues or infinite loops as they call them. Okay? All right, perfect. So go ahead and play with this while loop concept, and I'll see you in the next video.